So, hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 15th of September who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side of the story. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? And let's start. Today, I don't have the time to do anything more, so let's start quickly. So let's see the person that you're in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Aries. We have the Strength card, the Five of Pentacles, and the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Cups. Okay, this is someone who is feeling like left out in the cold because of the situation between you and them. And right now, they are working on this energy of coming out of feeling this feeling of loss, feeling like they are like a victim. Right now, this person is trying to come out of the victim mentality, trying to take the charge of the situation of their own life. For some of you, this person is going through some kind of career or money or financial issues as well, very big, like big time, and they're trying to solve it. Right now might be their focus is not that much on love or relationship area. Their focus is very much on their money, job, career, and coming out of this victim mentality, the mentality that I am the like cursed one here, or I always get the bad ones and this and that. So this is somebody who is feeling like left out in the cold, feeling like a victim, but they're working on this energy with all of their courage and strength, and coming out of that slowly but surely. And they're trying their best to spend time with family or people who are like family to them, or like creating a family kind of dynamic for themselves as much as they can to keep themselves as happy as they can from their side. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Ten of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Seven of Wands. Oh my God. This person definitely wants to move on. This person doesn't want to talk to you right now. They are so heartbroken over this. They are feeling so defeated in the situation. They don't want to repeat the same cycle with you again. At least according to them, in this lifetime, they're not going to repeat the same cycle with you again, because this is too painful, this is too hurtful, and at the same time, this person is feeling insulted or defeated in some way, shape, or form, and that is why this person wants to just keep you blocked or keep themselves blocked from coming towards you. It's like this energy of keeping themselves at a distance deliberately. This is what they want. Okay, and they want to move on from the situation. They're just waiting for the time when they will be completely able to move on from the situation, and they don't have to look back at you at all. It's like their energies are telling them, screaming at them, not to go back to Aries, not to go back to Aries, no matter what. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 15th of September. I don't think they are going to take any action because the kind of energies they are showing me, but let's see. You never know. We have the Page of Cups, the Seven of Swords, the Three of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit card. This person is moving on with a new person with a new energy. I do see that either you will be able to find out the truth about this person, that they're dealing with somebody else. Like either they're going to tell it to you honestly, that they were already connected with somebody else when they were with you, or they were already like meeting, they were already dating somebody else when they were with you. So I do see some kind of message, communication, apology coming from this person's side regarding some kind of betrayal, regarding some kind of cheating, regarding some kind of something that they did behind your back. So you can expect some kind of message, communication, apology from this person's side. If not that, you will get to know about this person kind of connecting with somebody else. So I don't see a very like flowy kind of communication between you guys, where both of you are having a long communication and long term connection kind of a deal. No, I do see some kind of message, communication, apology. Either this person is going to tell you that they are like they were cheating on you when they were with you, or you will get to find out about this and you will connect with them and they will tell you then and they will apologize, might be. Or you will get to know about this person's love affair or something like that, that they were doing it behind your back in some way. I don't know how. This is the outcome here. Take it how it resonates with you. Okay, but after this message, communication, apology, or after this a little bit of communication, a little bit of apology, nothing. there will be complete silence again, or there will be no communication after that. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Aries, in the situation. The World card. Okay, accept the situation for what it is. You might be feeling like there's some kind of unfinished business between you guys, and you should finish it by talking to this person. You should get a proper closure in this situation. It's needed, it's required. Don't do that. Okay, find your own closure, find your own happiness, accept the ending, accept the separation, accept the breakup, and move on. Because again, this person is kind of already connected to new energies, new things, and they're kind of moving on to new directions, at least for the timing. Or even if they're not moving on to the other direction or other people or other situations, waiting for somebody to come back and make you happy is not the healthy thing to do. On a on a spiritual level. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.